Come to Israel to experience the coolest adventure ever. In this small, magnificent country, you'll discover stirring stories of the past steeped in primordial, unforgettable landscapes. You'll find inspiring deserts, towering peaks, and quiet beaches with glistening sand. You'll discover traces of history's most fascinating figures, trailblazers, preachers, emperors, kings, and conquerors, which were all captivated by its charm. Israel will offer you amazing adventures with great nature and history, all in easy-to-reach sites and safe travel. We at the Israel Nature and Parks Authority invite you to visit the most beautiful and interesting sites in Israel. We promise to enchant you with exciting history and nature experiences that you'll never forget. So, we'll see you soon.